I was lucky in a few different ways. At the time, I was working at the VA for the federal government. So it was possible for me to kind of transition to part-time. As a government job, you can do that. And most times, like if you're in a private practice group, like, now I'm in a private anesthesia group, but most groups, if you said, yeah, I only want to work 2 days a week, they would just kind of say, well, we don't need you 2 days a week, right?
We need you. Like, get off, get off.
Right. But the VA, like, they need you full time too, but you're at the VA, you're kind of like equivalent, like you're the same as a cafeteria worker or a US Postal Service worker. Like you're a federal employee. If you want to work part time, they kind of have to let you work part time. So I was in a situation there where I could cut back a little bit. I have a colleague and now a business partner of mine who I knew from a while back because actually I'd grown up with his brother and he is a cosmetic surgeon in Sacramento where I live.